Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will work with transparent base again, and because my transparent base acrylic binder is white while it's wet, some of you didn't understand quite okay what that means and why I like this effect. Because I did one on the MDF board, and here where you see the board, here was white because I used my base that it's white while wet but dries clear. And what you get with that is, I will try to show you a little closer, layers that you would normally, or patterns or paints, some of them you would normally don't see if you would use white, black or whatever base. But with transparent base you can see some layers that would be hidden, some paints, some patterns that would be hidden if you would use colored base. So today I will work on this black canvas, and what will be white will be transparent and my black base will show through. And I will just splash some color on. Lately I watch a lot of Bultman and Bultman art on Instagram. He does amazing paintings, you have to check him, but he embellishes a lot and I'm not so good with embellishments. But with this technique, with transparent base and just splash some paint on canvas, I believe, I just saw that you not see enough probably. Just, add some paint on canvas in splatters. And today I will use this little Pigments Flamingo, that it's iridescent, gorgeous TLP pigment, not iridescent, color shift, and it shifts from pink to purple to green. It's just amazing. And I will use black and white cell activator this time. And first I will pour my transparent acrylic binder on canvas, and I will spin it out that I will spread it all over. Oh, and I'm working on 8 by 24, I believe, inch canvas, 20 by 60 centimeters. Okay, so my base is down, transparent one, and I will add some paint into the cup. And I want some white cell activator on bottom, and I will really not add a lot because I want to keep it kind of minimalistic. And then flamingo, oop, a little more of flamingo. Okay, and I will add a little bit of white again and a little bit of black. I don't know if this black will show at all, but hopefully for some lacing or something. Okay, and this is all. I basically just covered my bottom in a way, you see. This is just a little cup. And now I will just try to splash some paint on canvas. Okay. It's hard to control. I splash it on the sides where I didn't want to have it, so I will just add a little more paint in there. Just don't like this part. Maybe I can play a little bit with it. No. It's hard to control where paint will go. I will try to spin this out a little bit. So here is a wet result, and I'm in love with this one. Now I know how I have to throw my paint from the cup, and I can't wait to see how this will look with all the stuff that it's underneath, because you see, there is something underneath. But maybe this part a little bit weird, but we will see what will look like when it will be dry. I love it. I will be back few days for me, day or two, and right after this for you for the dry results. Stay tuned. So here is a close-up of the second one, because I really like this one. These piggies are just amazing, and I hope that you will see that there was layers that would be probably hidden if I wouldn't use transparent base. This part bothers me, but nothing to do about it now. But this, and maybe this splitting of colors, but see, this part would not be as visible as it is. And here you can see this lacing on top of the pattern that it was there before. And much more. I really like to play with this, but it's hard because it's hard to throw paint on the way that it would be, that it will be something nice looking too. So let me show you the other one that will be an example of that it's hard. So here is the one that I don't like because this was mostly not controlling throwing paint on canvas. You can still see some layers on top of the layers, but the patterns are so weird. Don't like it at all. See, I just throw too much paint. I would love to have more negative space, but I'm experimenting still. And it has to be some failures too to get to the point that I will be happy. Probably, I don't know. But I had so much fun, and definitely I will try some more. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.